Hi, my name is Sid Jackson, and I am one of the microbiology specialists here at PCC, and today I'll be showing you how to clean your microscope after you're done using it. In this video, we will first start out with cleaning the microscope after you're done using it, and then we'll go over some troubleshooting steps that you can take if you have issues before you bring it up to your instructor. First, we'll be starting out by cleaning the microscope. This microscope is currently set to 100x with immersion oil on a prepared slide. We will start out by cleaning the eyepieces, then the objectives, and then the prepared slide itself. If you haven't already, put on some gloves to make sure that the oils from your hands aren't deposited on the microscope while you're cleaning it. The items that you'll need are some lens paper and maybe some microscope lens cleaning solution. This is the optical lens cleaner, and this is the lens paper. We will first take a single piece of lens paper and fold it in half. And then we will wrap it around our index finger, like so, and hold it in place. We will take our lens paper and gently touch it to the eyepiece and wipe in small circles. You only need to put enough force to touch the lens paper to the lens. Wipe until the eyepiece is clean. If you're having difficulties getting the lens clean with just the lens paper, you can use 1 drop of the lens cleaner on your lens paper and use it to clean the eyepiece. Use a fresh piece of lens paper to dry it off. Next, we will be moving on to cleaning the objectives. First, you will drop the stage using the coarse focus knob. Once the stage is lowered, you'll use the nose piece to twist the 100x objective out of the way. Then you'll take a piece of lens paper and gently blot it to remove any immersion oil. Immersion oil is used only for the 100x objective to make sure that the image is clear. Immersion oil needs to be removed after every use using this blotting technique. Keep blotting until no oil comes back on the lens paper. Make sure to not get any immersion oil on any other objective. Immersion oil will damage other objectives other than the 100x. Now we will remove the slide with the lens oil for cleaning later and move on to cleaning the other objectives. The other objectives on the microscopes you'll be using here at PCC are 40x, 10x, and 4x. To get to them, just twist the nose piece again to bring them out. Cleaning these other objectives requires just a gentle swiping motion on the end of the objective. At this point, you can return the objective to the 4x, which is the shortest objective, using the nose piece, and then turn off the microscope. It's ready to be put away. Next, we'll be cleaning the slide itself. This is a prepared slide that you'll be using early on in micro. You'll use a piece of lens paper and cleaning off the immersion oil that we left on it from viewing it under the 100x objective. To clean the slide, use a piece of lens paper to gently wipe up the leftover immersion oil. You'll need to fold it over a couple times to remove it all. Sometimes there will be leftover residue that you can't remove with just the lens paper. In this case, use a droplet of lens cleaning solution on a piece of lens paper and use that to wipe up the rest. Use a piece of dry lens paper to remove any excess lens cleaner. Now the slide is ready to go back into its original box. The next section we'll be going into is troubleshooting. There are a couple things that you can look at when your microscope isn't working before you bring it to your instructor. If your microscope isn't turning on or the light isn't showing up, some things you can check are that the power cord is plugged in and into an outlet that is working correctly, or that the rheostat is turned up. If you're having troubles focusing, you might have put the slide at an angle on the stage. To fix it, you can just tap it down. Sometimes when you're using your own smear preps, you might put the slide upside down. To check, you can scratch the wax pencil that you use to outline the area where you're putting your smear. If you see a divot, you're on the right side. If not, flip your slide over. If you're still having troubles focusing, you can do a quick clean on the objective to see if that helps. If any of these troubleshooting tactics don't work, bring your microscope to your instructor so they can have a look at it. And that's it. That's how we clean the microscope after we use it in class, and also some troubleshooting techniques. Thanks!